You're from Indonesia.
Hello, yes, I'm from Indonesia.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too. What's your name?
Oh, I'm Shane.
Oh,
And
yes.
you're Rahman?
Uh,
Abdul
uh,
Rahman.
not, no. My name is Wildan Mujahid. Wildan.
Oh.
This is my friend account.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I see, I see.
How about how about uh what are
Wow.
you doing, Sen?
I'm just in studying at
Okay.
all time. Yeah.
What study? What major?
Major in English,
Okay.
actually. Yeah.
I'm to study. I major civil engineering.
Oh,
Yes,
that's quite interesting.
yes. Uh, you know civil engineering?
Yeah, civil
Yeah.
engineering, familiar.
Uh, I have some question for you.
Yeah, you can
Uh,
ask.
yeah. What's your favorite food, Sen?
Oh, I have a lot of favorite food here in the Philippines.
Do you like spicy food?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
yeah like
Uh,
sisig, adobo, more spicy. Yeah.
mm, you
How
like
about you?
ramen? You like ramen?
Yeah, ramen.
Yeah, okay. Uh, you know meatball in Indonesia?
Yeah, there are a lot of Indonesian here in Episoden.
Okay. My favorite food in uh, fry ramen too. Uh, so I not spicy. I not spicy.
Oh,
Mm.
okay.
I'm sorry. My English so bad.
It's okay. We're learning. We're still learning.
Can you tell me about country from Philippines?
Oh, Philippines and Indonesia's are, there are a lot of similarities, like the language, like kamusta,
Okay,
kamustas.
okay. Uh, y- naman, basta. Uh, can uh, can you try Philippines language? Tagalog?
Yeah, Tagalog.
Yes,
Yeah,
Tagalog.
I can try. Like, kamusta kayo? Mahal kita. Yeah.
Yeah. How
Ano ang pang...
how to how I love you in Tagalog?
It's mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
Yeah.
Mahal kita. Uh,
Yeah.
you can speak Indonesian?
No, you can teach me some Indonesian.
Aku
Can
cinta
you?
kamu in
What?
aku cinta kamu.
Aku cinta kamu.
I love
What?
you.
Oh, aku
Okay.
cinta kamu. Wow.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih. What's that?
Yes. It's thank you. Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Takamashi.
Yeah. English, English.
Oh.
Okay.
Here in the Philippines, thank you. Salamat.
Oh, selamat.
Yeah, salamat.
Salamat.
Yeah.
Uh, how about bahasa Inggrisnya older? How you old usia? Old are you? How old are you?
Oh, I'm only 18 years old.
Berapa sih?
Belakangan.
Oh,
18 years old.
how I am 20 years.
Oh, it's okay.
I'm so bad English. I'm so very malu kan?
Can I ask you question again?
Can I question again?
Yeah, you can ask
Uh,
anything you want.
Lebih ke dia holiday, di
how how
do people
how do people usually spend weekend or holiday?
in your country?
What?
Tinggal di Medan.
How do people usually spend weekend or holiday
In your country?
in your country?
Oh, holiday in our
Yes.
country?
Yes.
Oh, it depends on the month.
Nanti nak, man.
Holiday. Right now, we're in holiday vacation.
Yeah.
Okay, yes.
How
Yeah.
in spend weekend? Spend weekend. How do you?
How do you spend weekend?
Do you like
What?
Nanti nak. Kuban sa
How do you spend your weekend?
weekend.
Do you like watching movies or what?
What?
Yeah, I love listening music, playing instruments. Yeah. Oh, bye.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye. Thank you.
Nice to see you. Yeah, thanks.
Sih halus sih.
Enggak.
Oh, Mas Halila.